So I wanted to follow up to my webinar about my design session for my theme generator that I released last week and kind of tell you where I went with it. So at the end I was talking about needing to make a determination about how I wanted to tie the custom theme to the built-in theme that we had, and I went with the plugin route. So here is the custom theme within Dynamics. So again, this is in the UCI interface. So I have a theme and the logo tooltip. Parent theme is just some debugging information for me right now that'll go away. I do not do the logo at this point in time, just the two texts here and then the colors. So the colors are all good. And what I do when you save this, I go to the theme entity and I actually will create or update the theme depending if it finds it or not. So if it finds it, it will update it. If it is not there, it will create it. Then all you have to do is go specify a logo if you want one, and then click the publish theme, and you're done. So right now it is unidirectional, so it goes from the custom theme to the built-in theme, and there are one piece of information you have to complete, which is the logo. So the process there is you upload your logo as a web resource, and then this lookup will allow you to pick that web resource. Then you just save it and publish it, and you're ready to go. So again, all your work is done in here using this really cool PCF container. And again, magenta is the new black, so we're going to be using that a lot. And again, when I save it and go back and do a refresh on my production theme within the themes, you will see that we now have magenta as our hover link color. So that's it. So that was a decision I made. So again, the last piece is what do I do about the logo? Do I actually want to put that on the other page here? That's the last thing. And then, is it really worth the effort to monitor the theme to push it back over into the custom theme? At this point, I think the answer to that question is no. And then the final thing is, if I delete this, what happens to my theme here? I can delete it, but then that could cause some issues. So to be quite honest, on both of those questions, so either the moving from the built-in theme back to the custom theme, and then how to handle deletes, I think I'm just going to not make choices there and let just people clean it up manually, since we're talking about at most a handful of records, if that much. So anyway, so those were my design decisions that I came up with. It's worked pretty well. I had some issues with a bug in Microsoft Dynamics, but other than that, it has exceeded my expectations as a solution. So again, it's part of my new Art and Science of Model-Driven App Design course. You can get it there. Thanks.